Wait.
Yes.
Wait. What are you gathering, Sana? What should I do?
Oh. Wait, what am I
Okay, so I think like if you're gathering the spruce, maybe Gura can gather the oak.
Oh, sure. The oak.
Because we need quite a bit of oak.
Is there even
and stuff.
Do we have dark oak? I didn't see it here.
Yes! Kronii has dark oak.
She does?
Has everything.
Oh my goodness,
She's
Kronii.
got such a green thumb.
She does. She really does.
He does. I don't know how
Such a green
survive
thumb.
in
She's
Minecraft
actually out
without it.
touching grass today.
She's literally the green giant.
She's
Did we forget about nature?
Fauna who?
No, Fauna, no.
I don't know, but when I think about 𝑭𝑶𝑹𝑮𝑬𝑚 in Minecraft, I think about fire or lava.
Oh, the fire that Fauna caused. She causes fire actually quite often. We've come to learn. No matter the game she plays.
Good night. Good night.